today this is some Brookhaven roleplay. So yeah, this is some Brookhaven. So this is a Brookhaven roleplay with my sister. Hey, don't say that, Frances. I'm recording. And yeah, this is iTop screen recorder with a very valid license that I bought. Just kidding.
I love you. You're the best thing. And so hello guys, we're playing Brookhaven with Brookhaven me and the calling is Harry.
So yeah, let's get started.
Yeah,
And I'll do some I will do an EAS test later. EAS, the emergency alert system might be activated later. Don't worry, I'll go back there. As you can see, guys, the screen. Someone please help. Bro, my mouse.
Get back here.
Bro, what the?
What?
An EAS participant has issued a required emergency alert system test. This test can save your life in case of an emergency. If this was a real emergency, after the tone, you should hear use information or instructions. This is only a test of the EAS, or Emergency Alert System. Regular programming may resume. So yeah, guys. So this is some Brookhaven roleplay. This is a test.
Hello. So hello guys.
Okay, so the EAS alert test is now open. Once it turns blue like this again, the EAS test will happen.
Take the bed, okay? Take the bed.
What's a teleprompter? What the? Oh yeah, guys. There's some Brookhaven footage with an EAS test. Okay.